Frame house has two distinct facades, one closed off to the street and the other completely open to the coastal landscape. The contrast between these two sides gave the house its name. To prevent the neighboring construction from blocking the view, the house was built at the highest point of the plot, with the main entrance positioned on the upper floor. To ensure an unobstructed view, the traditional layout was inverted, placing the social areas on the upper floor and the bedrooms on the ground level. The master suite was kept on the upper level so that the house can be easily opened and closed for short weekend stays when only the owners are present. This allows the residence to function as a single-level loft with a lower extension for children and guests. Located on the northeastern coast of Menorca, Spain, this minimalist concrete house offers a stunning sea view. Designed by the Barcelona-based firm Nomo Studio, it occupies a steeply sloped plot in the Coves Noves resort. A large skylight illuminates the rear of the house, where no windows were placed. The master suite offers a privileged view of the sea and a private terrace. The use of prefabricated hollow-core slabs, typically found only in industrial buildings, made it possible to create an 11-meter span to cover a column-free terrace, ensuring a completely unobstructed view. The roof is inclined to open toward the view, and the entire front facade features floor-to-ceiling glass windows. A vertical striped relief runs across the facade, marking the distribution of windows and doors. Cast-in-place concrete was used for the facade as a low-maintenance material that ages well in Menorca's harsh climate, characterized by high humidity and extreme salinity levels. The nearly white tone of the facade blends seamlessly with the surrounding ochre and earthy landscape. Separated from the rest of the dwelling for privacy, The children's and guest bedrooms on the ground floor have private bathrooms and terraces, as well as an exclusive living room.